latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The COVID-19 pandemic has majorly affected the airline industry globally. The pandemic situation has hit airlines in India as well, forcing them to lay off employees. Indigo, India's largest private airline, has announced that it is laying off 10% of its workforce due to the economic crisis. Indigo CEO Ronojoy Datta said for the first time in history, the company has taken such a drastic step.
It is for the first time in the history of Indigo that we have undertaken such a painful measure. From where things stand currently, it is impossible for our company to fly through this economic storm without making some sacrifices in order to sustain our business operations.
The Indigo bid a painful adieu to 10% of its workforce that has been laid off.
Therefore, after carefully assessing and reviewing all possible scenarios, it is clear that we will need to bid a painful adieu to 10% of our workforce. It is for the first time in the history of Indigo that we have undertaken such a painful measure.
Indigo also put out a statement thanking employees for their support. This has been one of the toughest decisions that we have had to take, and we are ensuring that the transition process for the impacted employees is carried out seamlessly, professionally, and with the utmost respect and compassion. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude and sincere thanks to all our people who have stood by us through thick and thin, and we are confident that both individually as well as collectively we will emerge stronger out of this crisis. Meanwhile, Indigo has created a 6E care package for affected employees, under which they will be given notice pay. The notice pay will be calculated based on gross salary in lieu of serving notice applicable to them. Indigo has taken several measures to ensure a smooth layoff. In addition to notice pay, impacted employees will be paid a severance pay, which will be calculated on 1 month of CTC for every completed year of service. Affected employees will receive a 3-month gross salary. The payment of bonus shall be made by the company even after the employee's exit. For year 2020, longevity bonus applicable for crew members shall be paid along with full and final to eligible crew members. Medical insurance coverage for impacted employees will be extended until December 2020. In addition to financial support, the company is offering a 6E career transition support. The company will provide an outplacement allowance to exiting employees to explore career opportunities outside Indigo. Not just Indigo, Air India too has announced a layoff due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Last week, state-run airlines Air India announced that it has started the process of layoff.